Today we're going to talk about unanimous shareholder agreements, commonly known as USAs or shareholder agreements. We're going to talk about both legal and tax issues. Just to run through our outline today, we have 6 main topics we're going to address. We're going to first talk about the importance of a shareholder agreement, why people would want to enter into one when they are forming a corporation. We're going to talk about some of the key business financial buyout provisions. So what are the basic key terms of a unanimous shareholder agreement? Then the buyout provisions that one commonly experiences. If the shareholders are still alive, inter vivos buyouts are the types of ways you get out of a corporation when you don't get along anymore. We'll then discuss the triggering events and valuation issues. So triggering events are provisions you put in at the outset for the corp of bad behavior or certain events happen, and that means there's automatically a right or an obligation for someone to leave the corporation. We'll talk about some tax traps to avoid. So what are the different considerations from a tax point of view? And then we'll talk about buyouts on death, because one of the things you will often provide for at the outset is what were to happen if one of the shareholders were to die suddenly, and now we need to figure out what do we do with that person's shares and how do we buy them out and what are the different tax ways we can structure that.